Yeah, very good morning. Can you hear me? Can you just let me know this if you're able to hear or not? Bhavana Gundeti. Can you hear me? Good morning, Bhavana. Can you hear my voice? Yes, Abhigna, Lakshmi Vangari. Yes, sir. Okay. Hi, Praveen. Hi. Good morning. Okay. Abhigna Parishe. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. So you're able to hear me, right? Yeah, hi. Uh, let's wait for some time only. 20 people have joined so far. Let us see. Let us wait for some time. And I just want to address you regarding your preparation strategy. Like if you have any doubts, I want to clarify that accordingly. I am Shruti, your friend, Anand sir student. Yeah, Shruti, I got you. Your Anand sir student. I got that now. Got it, got it. Physics ki MCQs ఉన్నాయా? Yeah, Kartisha, not there, Amma. I sent you one question paper earlier. In that, I'll just show this. Let me just show this. Yeah. This is the board. What you can see. No MCQs. Okay. It's only descriptive part questions. Question paper consists of 7 questions. You need to write five from that. I'll write it here. Question paper pattern. You're able to see, right? You can just text me because if you all start talking, I can't understand. Becomes I'll just go through your these things, text messages and all. Yeah, question paper pattern is that it consists of only one section, of which of which uh, consists of 7 questions. You need to write 5 from that, and each consists of 12 marks, which is equals to 60 marks. And 7 questions will be in this form: 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. Only 2 subparts in each: 3A, 3B. In that way, it is up to 7A, 7B. 7A, 7B. If you write any one answer here, you should write this also. Both put together is for 12 marks. You cannot claim for 12 marks for this and this. That counts as 2 different answers. You will get 12 for this, but for 24 marks, you will get 12 in this accordingly. It is appearing in reverse name. Let me just cross check with my camera settings. I don't know where to do this. Live flip camera. Actually, let me try like this. I'm just checking all that. Wait for a while. Yeah, yeah. Is this okay now? Can you see it properly? And 1 more minute. I need some time for this. Yeah, now I think I can answer you. Can you see on the board properly now? Just answer me. Maybe you feel like I'm doing, yeah. So letters are reversed. Is this letters clear now? It's clear, right? Right? Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. So first thing is that about question paper pattern I want to discuss. Hopefully I can start this now. Shall I start now? Tell once again, sir. Yeah, the Sanvi Reddy, I am starting now again from the first. Right? Everyone, Raj Reddy, Chinni Yadav, Supriya, Lakshmi, Shashwardhan Reddy, Sadashiva Reddy, all this. You are able to hear first of all, right? Is this struck or what? I'm not getting any response from anyone. Is this session active? Are you all able to hear me? I'm not getting your responses. Is it struck or what? Yes. Okay. So what I wanted to tell you is your question paper pattern consists of 7 questions, 7 descriptive questions, only descriptive in this. One 12 marks question from each chapter. This is from chapter 2. This is from chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6, and chapter 7. Since you have less questions in chapter 7, we'll adjust one more question from the previous two more chapters. Any other chapters, maybe chapter, which all the big chapters we have, accordingly we'll make that. But all your questions are going to be chapter wise only. All your questions are going to be chapter wise only, and you can make your preparations in a way that, yeah, I'll make that board adjustment a bit later. My system got stuck here. I'll adjust that one more time. Okay, wait for a while. Alfia Kausar said hi. Okay, hi. Chandur, we are not able to see. I'm adjusting this. Any question from first chapter? Yeah. Nirosha, there is no question from first chapter. You can expect one question, 1 mark question. See, I'll explain this like this. Yeah, it takes some time. Don't mind all that, okay? I'm just trying to adjust the things. Yeah. Geetika asked essay part, is there any question, sir? Is there now, sir? Only essay part is there now. Yeah, only essay part, only descriptive questions it is. Hi, Jahnavi Reddy. I can't see any boys in this. I just wanted to address boys first, boys also. Is there any question from chapter 1? Is that the last comment what you have posted? Sir, in EST, one more questions are there or not? Supriya, there are no one more questions. Let me straight away tell you this part first. The part is that you will be having 7 questions. You need to write 5. Each consists of 12. Like MCQ is not there. In this 1A, you will be having one 6 marks question. This 6 marks question can be anything like this, like one short question for 1 mark plus one more short question for 1 mark plus 4 marks one essay question, all put together gives us to 6 marks. Depending upon the size of the answer, it could be only one single question for 6 marks, or it could be 1 plus 1 plus 4. Only in single question you'll find all the things together, like what is error and different types of error, or rules of significance, all put together. You will get one 6 marks question which can be a combination of 2 or 3 things like that. Maybe one thing, 2 things, or 3 things depending upon the size of the question. Like that, your 1A question would be from chapter 2, units and dimensions. 1B will also be from chapter 2 only. This is what we call it as blueprint. Second point what I want to talk. Blueprint means 1A question would be from chapter 2. 1B is also from chapter 2. Like that, 2A would be from chapter 3. 2B would be from chapter 3 again. In that way it is. Nirosha, first chapter, you may get one more question from that in this part. Only one question will be added to that in that part, like that. So far, how many people have joined this? I expected many people to join. Thought of having this doubts. I can't see the number exactly how many are watching. Only 79 are watching. 79 are watching this. Okay. So what is that? Yeah. So from chapter 2. Then third question will be from chapter 4. Third A. Again third B would be from chapter 4. Since this is a bigger chapter compared with others, right? You will be getting 4A from also chapter 4 only. So if you read 4th chapter, you are going to get 3 questions from that. 4B would be from chapter 5. Then 5A again would be from chapter 5. 5B again would be from chapter 5. 5 questions. I mean chapter 6 you can make it. Because Newton's laws of motion, you have banking of roads. Can we give 3 questions in that or not? I'm not sure. It depends, like either it is 5 or 6. Let us, depending on the size of the number of questions what we get. 6A again would be from chapter 6 for sure. 6B again would be from chapter 6 for sure. Then 7A would be from chapter 6, it should be, and 7B should be from chapter 7. This is what the blueprint of physics question paper is. Any question which is of all, each subpart is for 6 marks only. So any subpart can be the combination of all small questions. It could be anything. Only thing is that you should be in a position to revise or write the answers what have been learned in the classes thoroughly. Said hi, Vikrant. Vikrant said hi. Okay, Vikrant, hi. Anil Reddy. Checklist lo unna questions prepare kavala sir. Yeah, first give. Yeah, that is my third point. This is my second point, the blueprint. First point was paper pattern, and third point is that checklist questions. Checklist questions. Checklist questions will give you from 40 to 52 marks, or you can take it as 55 also. Up to, from checklist you can score up to 52 marks. So my recommendation is that first complete the questions in the checklist, then go through the synopsis or the important points what are there in the textbook at the end of the chapter. Also, somebody asked like derivations are there, problems are there. Question paper is a combination of all the things. Our question paper consists of, in that chapter, it may consist of a graph, it may consist of a derivation, it may consist of a numerical problem, it may consist of application questions, realistic applications. Accordingly, what all the various parts given in your checklist, which includes all the things, it has problems in that, it has derivations in that, it has applications in that. If you can complete that first on the priority basis, it is easy for you to score 50 plus marks. 50 to 55 you will get in that. Remaining 5 marks is like how much capable you are, like how much you are able to reproduce the things what you have learned from the class. And lastly, the point what I want to tell you is that first on the priority basis complete your checklist first. Then complete synopsis from the textbook. All the questions what are in the checklist are from your monthly tests only. There is no need to revise separately. Where which checklist? Recently, I have sent this checklist to 2 days back on Friday. I sent YBT at the rate 2009. Yeah, I got it, man. Stop sending the same message again. I have sent that checklist. I can attach that checklist if you want here. Let me see whether I can do that or not. I have sent it to your CRs, I have sent it to your faculty. Your concerned faculty will be aware where the checklist for EST preparation. You can ask them once. Sir, send physics important checklist questions and all, they'll say forward it to you. I have given it to all the concerned faculties. Where are you, sir? I am at my home. Charan? Okay, sir. Yeah, 1A, 1B together, Geetika. 1A, 1B again there, sub questions. No. 1A is one single question with 2 or 3 parts with that single question only. There are no sub parts in again 1A, 1B separately. 1A is for 6 marks, 1B is for 6 marks. And you should write both together. Geetika, I am answering you, right? From first chapter, there are no bigger questions. Bhargavi, only one more question you can expect in 1A part. In 1A, you may get one question like what is so and so, then second part questions. Chapter 2 questions, which has got more weightage. According to this blueprint, you can check out the chapter 6 and chapter 5 will get more weightage. Chapter 4 has got 3 parts in that 12 marks. Chapter 5 has got 3 parts in that 12 marks. Chapter 6, 4, 5, 6 has got 12 marks each. I can write it like this. Chapter 2, 8 marks weightage. Chapter 3, not 8, 12 marks, sorry. 12 marks weightage. Chapter 3 also 12 marks weightage. Chapter 4, 3 questions, 3 6 are 18 marks weightage. Chapter 5, 18 marks weightage. Chapter 6, 18 marks weightage. Chapter 7, 5 marks weightage. This is the weightage of marks. Why, Charan, college? Which time you come to college, sir? Why? I may not be now able to attend classes or maybe able to teach you everyone because each and everyone will come for explanation parts. It's not possible for me to teach like that. Now to the classes. That's what it. I have some doubts. Yeah, Charan, I got it. Anybody who has any doubts, you can WhatsApp me in my WhatsApp number. I'll give you audio messages. Let's solve this issue through online mode. Okay. You can WhatsApp me. Malati Manne, sir, numericals from problems or examples. Yes, Malati, I have marked all the example problems, all the textbook problems also. In that checklist, you have all example problems or which are to be learned for examination point of view. It is there. Just go through all that. It is enough. So if you can complete, numericals will be completed. Checklist. If you can complete checklist, you can complete numerical problems. Numerical problems, examples and all. And next, which chapter have more weightage అయిపోయింది. Any sub questions? No, not there. Some Maithili, Sai Maithili. No subparts in 1B, A and B. 1A itself is for 6 marks. There are no 1 part, 2 part in that. Jeshwant, sir, is any question from? Yes, questions are there. 12 marks questions will get from chapter 2, units and measurements. Weightage I have shown here, right? This is weightage. Chapter 2, 12 marks. Chapter 3, 12 marks. Chapter 4, 18 marks. All this is weightage. Yeah, checklist is enough. Bellamkonda Rohit Kumar, checklist is enough to score 52 marks. If you are good in that, yes, if you are good enough with the checklist, scoring 50 is guaranteed. If you can thoroughly complete all the questions what are in the checklist, you can score 50 plus marks. And 1A, 1B for H is for Pranita Reddy. Yes, each of the subpart is for 6 marks. Rohit, I answered you right. Checklist is enough for scoring 50 marks. 52, 55 in fact. Only for 5 marks you need to do your own. How much skills you have, how much listening you are in the classes. That count for remaining 5 marks. So I'll straight away answer the things what are there from now onwards. Chapter 5 is for 5 marks. Is it not clear? Chapter 7 is for 5 marks. 1 5 marks question. No. 5 or 6. It would be 6. Chapter 7 for 6 marks. One subpart from that. 6 marks it is. Chapter 7. Not there, fill in the blanks, Nandakishore. No fill in the blanks, no objectives, no multiple choice. Only one section of descriptive parts. No fill in the blanks, Nandakishore. And Anil Reddy, chapter 7 is for 6 marks. Kirtana, questions will come from backside of the textbook only. For that purpose, you no need to read all the questions. There is one checklist provided with respect to questions and all. Just complete checklist first, then refer what all other things you want. Once you complete that, you can go for the other parts. Extra 5 marks. How many marks from one chapter? Only 1 mark it is, Rahil Sheikh. Only 1 mark question from first chapter. Paper pattern already explained, hack 999 official. Yeah, paper pattern is already there in front of you. Question paper consists of 7 questions, you need to write 5 from that. Supriya, you will get 5 marks. Depending on if it is 6 marks question. Yeah, Anil Reddy, I'll add that checklist here. For that, I need to remove my camera from the stand. I'll do it after a little later. Okay. If your video is not needed, I can do that immediately. Checklist to prepare the chala. Yeah, it is enough, Navya. Examples from the checklist are more than enough. Yeah, only 6 marks questions. Vishwak Sen. Exam paper consists of only, every question consists of 6 marks for each number of the question, there are two subparts. Each subpart is for 6 months. Navya, I think I answered you. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And I have not seen some of the messages earlier. Those people I have not responded, you can message me again because it's been gone somewhere else. I cannot check every message now. If Sir Ramyeshri asked like, yeah, all the subjects, Anjushri, yes, almost all the subjects have the same paper pattern. Sir, how the questions are going to ask from first lesson? Only Rameshri, it is something like this. What are the different types of gravitational force? What are the different types of forces? Or who invented? Who discovered? What is the discovery of Chadwick? Or like that, one sentence formation question will be there. You have to get to answer the sentence formation. What is the discovery of C.V. Raman? There are some textual questions in that. Just go through them once for that 1 mark part. I think I have answered. How many sub questions are there? No, in 1A there are no sub questions. 1A itself is a single question. There are four Suryavamshi. How many credits are there? There are 4 credit points for physics. 4. Yes, Rahil, I gave that checklist. In that checklist, all the 4 examples of equilibrium are there. Accordingly, you will get one question from that for sure. You have to go through that examples. Object is Undavu, Vanoja. Okay, no objectives. What type of questions? Nandakishore, I just told that. It is like what is the discovery of C.V. Raman, who invented this electron, or what are the types of forces he learned, like that. Yes, physics credits will help. Bellamkonda, Rohit Kumar. How will the credit points will help? Your CGPA is based on these credit points only. And I need to address that separately. I don't want to confuse people with that. You just forget about that. I can discuss that later. People start thinking more on that. That's of no use. Our job is to write the exam and see how much better you are performing in the exam. Let us focus on that first. The others start thinking in the what is this credit and all. Just forget that. Sir, they won't provide other subjects. Sir, please one checklist for the sir can help us, sir. I'm not sure, Anjushri. I'll ask the respective faculties whether they can do that or not. Okay. I can just tell them, I can just ask them for that, and I cannot force them to give their wish whether to give it or not. Derivation to spring constant, yes, it is important. It is in the checklist. Which problem chapter will scope for problems? Jashwant, all the chapters has got equal weightages for problems and all. In checklist, what all the problems we have given, you learn that first on a priority basis. Every chapter textbooks problems are given, every chapter examples are given. Just go through all that. Out of 1,500 people, only 93 are watching this. And just before exams, people start calling me or messaging me, sir. No, not like that. You just prepare well in advance for all the things. Where is checklist, sir? I'll send that after some time. Navata Kurma, whatever it is. It is not there. Question from relative velocity in 2 dimensions. Rahil check, it is not there. It is deleted from the syllabus. Vishwak Sen is that preparation. Actually, we have different set of papers. One set I'll do, one set some other faculties do, one set will get from outside. So various sets are there. 3-4 sets of question papers will be there. Nobody knows which set you'll get in the exam. Only exam section will decide that. 6 marks are not there from first lesson, Manikanta. Only 1 mark question will be there, which is a part of 1A. Any other questions? If you want, you can ask me. I'll send that checklist now after some time, or else I have to stop this camera to add it now itself. Thank you, sir. Yeah, that's okay, my boy. Manikanta. Sir, on which questions we should focus, on index questions or on backside ones? Kirtana, you can do first the questions, what are there in the checklist, then go for synopsis from the textbook at the end of chapter. After doing these two things, if you have time, you can now go for doing the other questions. Yeah, errors is important, Ritvik Reddy. Numerical. Do we question have numericals? Yes, each question will have numericals with that. Chapter weightage, it is already mentioned here. This is the weightage. What is there on the board is a weightage. Okay. The weightage is chapter 12, 2 marks like that. See, Jashwan, it is something like this. Man, I already told you, said only 6 marks are there out of chapter 1. First chapter, only 1 mark. 1A, along with this chapter 2 question, one small part will also be included in this. So, this question of chapter 2 would be for 5 marks. 1 mark question from chapter 1. These two put together gives us to chapter 6. 6 marks question, or you can take it like this. This is chapter 1 and 2 together is 6 for 6 marks. And part B is purely from chapter 2. Is that clear now? Navata Kumari, is there a checklist? Srujana, thank you, sir. Yeah. Chemistry checklist, I'm not sure. I don't know whether they will give it or not. Neeraj Kumar, yes, man. Chances are there in EST. There is a chance those questions are also provided in the checklist. If you have any specific questions apart from these things, you can ask me now. In the streets of fire, shadows play. Can you explain spring constant? Those who want any explanations, you message me in WhatsApp. I'll send audio replies to that. Okay? Manikanta. Yeah, I'll save that. I'll see. After this, I'll say I'll upload this. Okay? It is there. Geetika. Spring constant derivation is there. Out of checklist, how many questions are there? Sir? I don't know, man. It depends. Jashwant. Srinitha, integration related problems, yes, it is there. Anjushri, how to overcome with stress? Yeah. See, stress is actually what it's all our inner thoughts, what makes you feel. Nothing is difficult, nothing is there is nothing like that which has no solution in that. For everything there is some sort of a solution. And everything goes like this. How we act to that, we get the results. If you take it positively, if you take it in a light note, it becomes light. Unnecessarily, if you take burden, it looks like burden. It is like remote. Your remote should be in your hands. What all you want to operate, you have to operate. It's not that somebody else dictate what you have to do. Don't feel like stress, nothing like stress and all. What sort of a any problem it is, definitely it will have some solution with that. You just try how much you can do, Anjushri. Try maximum to the best of your abilities. Things will fall in your way. Can you give any suggestions before we going to exam center? Nothing else, Sahasra. This itself, because the more I give before exams, more tension it leads to. So make your plans all well in advance. As of now, I can tell you, since you are done with all monthly tests and all good exams, what all the things you have learned so far itself are sufficient to score 30 to 35 marks. If you are good at the previous question papers that are done, that gives you 30 marks plus. So no, nothing to worry much. Doing our works. And are there any MCQ? Actually, no, it's not there. Empty papers will come. Any wrong answers? Yes, Nandakishore, I already addressed this. Assignments, all assignment questions, all empty questions. We made it in the form of a new checklist. Accordingly, sir, request you to take physics class section in our college for doubt clarification. Vishwak Sen, I'm not getting. Kindly request you to take physics class section in our college. You mean to take for doubt clarification? You want to take it in the class? We'll plan that. Okay, I'm not sure, but I have to plan that. Let us see. How many percentage questions from, see exactly I don't have that percentage, Mr. Santhu. I have not made any calculations to check how much percentage is that and this and all. I included some questions or some questions will be included from that. Geetika, it is included, it is there, the spring constant derivation. Yes, I can give. Yeah, do it, Anju. I am sure you can do it. Only first semester you'll feel like this, some kind of tension because you're writing for the first time college level exams. Once you are done with that, you can now refer your sisters from P2 and E1. Nobody will be like you. And those people, when those were in the P1, they were also like you only. Clear? It's just a pass by. You people will come, you will pass, will go. That's it. Next again, some new people will come next year. They will be like you. You will be the seniors then. It's only time process. I mean, it's only the passage of time. It makes all the things settle. Don't think much about anything. Do your best. That's all. Thank you so much, sir, for guidance. Feel happy to get marks. Yeah, Rahil, that's good. Keep going, man. Calculus is important. Yes, it is important. Which problems should we prefer? Examples. Yeah, problems. All you have to refer Srinidhi, but better go through the checklist problems and questions first. Puli, Puligi, Anjini Yadav. Yeah, hi. Assignment questions are important. Sneha Priya, yes. Yes, important derivation. Kailash. Collision and bankroad important. Hi, okay. Chatu. Rasam Chatu, checklist 52 marks, remaining 8 marks from where can. For remaining 8 marks, go through the synopsis. Also, the things what sir teachers have explained you in the classes, your faculty explained you in the classes, or assignments, or any other part what you have studied. Sir, once explain exam pattern. Exam pattern consists of 7 questions. Each question consists of 2 subparts which is there in front of you on the board. And for that, each subpart there is a 6 marks question. This is 6 marks. This is 6 marks. This is 6 marks. These two put together is one full answer. Out of 7, you are supposed to write 5 from that. Varshini. Hi. Vishwak Singh, thank you, sir. It's okay, man. Karthika, diamond analysis nunchi questions adugutara. Yes, adugutaru. Karthika, it's asked. How many questions are erased out of checklist? How many questions? I'm telling you for nearly for about 52 marks you'll get. I cannot tell you number, 5 number or 6 అట్లా చెప్తలేదు నాకు. Cases from, yes, important, Sneha Priya. Lahari, RK sir, good morning. Yeah, good morning, Lahari. Checklist, please. I'll try for that Tejavat, Vidya. I'll try for that chemistry checklist. And I'm not the concerned person to address on that. I cannot assure you from their side. It is their HOD, your faculty has to decide on that. Yeah, will come. Assignment questions and Mr. Santu, questions will come in EST. Yes. How can we score remaining 8 marks? Go through the textbook synopsis points, each and every line, somewhere else which are there in the textbook in the form of blanks and all like that. Sujana, Sneha Priya answered you. Sujana, yes, it is important. Impulse momentum theorem is important. Backside long questions are important, sir. Nandakishore, yes, they are important. Is there any chance to get sub questions? Any chance to get what sub questions? Yeah, sub questions వస్తాయి 1A, 1B. Those are sub parts. And each and every sub question cannot have some more sub parts. Chemistry, I can't assure you, Rahil. Okay. Remaining 8 marks. Synopsis, your abilities. Remaining 8 marks depends on your abilities of scoring marks like by solving problems, understanding examples like that. Chemistry, I can't assure you, Rahil. 8 marks, I think answered. Sub questions. Chemistry. You are asking same thing again. Uniform circular motion, not deleted, it is there. It is included. Yeah, thank you, Rahil. It is not deleted. Uniform circular motion, it is there. It is included. So those who are clear with all these things, you can now quit this and you can attend your, you can do your regular activities. No, there is no chance, Priyanka Yadav. There is no three sub-part questions. As of now, the instructions what we got is that they say 2 sub-parts of each 6 marks. Yeah, it is sufficient to score 52 marks. Sahasra. Checklist is sufficient to score 52. Remaining 8 marks is your abilities. Yeah, parabola is important. Archana. Potential energy is important. Nikita. Akshat Reddy. Hi. Yes, hi, man. Yeah, Hema Erukula, thank you. Yeah, welcome. You can go ahead with your preparations. Please see that we get. I can't assure you on your chemistry checklist that faculties or HODs are interested in that or not. I cannot answer on that. It is their wish, right? I'll try. I'll ask them whether they have anything like that or not. If at all, your concerned faculty will forward that to you. Sirish, did you post this live video in channel? I'll post this after this live. I'll post this in my channel. ఉంది అసైన్మెంట్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంది వనోజా అసైన్మెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మంత్లీ టెస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆల్ ఆర్ పుట్ టుగెదర్ ఇన్ వన్ సింగిల్ చెక్ లిస్ట్ యా యూనిఫామ్ సర్కులర్ మోషన్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ నాగేశ్వరి థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ యా సుప్రియా 1 kg రైట్ how many marks for derivation like example third like yeah no specific answer Rajkumar for that this one particular 6 marks question can be derivation, can be answer, can be a problem, can be some explanation terms, applications, whatever it is. Now I don't know how many numericals are there, how many these are the question paper concept all put together. Only thing is that go through the things what are present in the checklist first, that will do. Yeah. 2 questions are the choice, Nanda Kishore. Out of 7 you are supposed to write 5. And when you're writing one answer, both subparts to be together. 1A, if you're writing 1A first, 1B to be with that only. Don't write 1A at one place, 1B at the last. After 1A, don't write 2A. Don't write 3A like that. Write all 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B together. If you do like that, you'll get marks only for one subpart. If you write 1A in the beginning and 1AB at the last 1B will not be considered. Only 1A would be considered. After writing 1A, leave some space if you want time to write that. So that you can write it later, but don't write it some other place. You cannot claim marks for that. How many marks for rotational motion? Sidhu, it is for 6 marks. 7th chapter is for 6 marks. Parallelogram is important, Archana. Only for short derivation will get 5 marks. It depends, Rajkumar. It depends on the size. It all and generally when you get a 6 marks question, we see that is deserving a 6 marks question. We cannot give a simple question and ask for 6 marks for a simple form like that. Question 6 mark question would be definitely deserving 6 marks. That size should be that much only. No short derivations. Short derivations in short cannot be given for 6 marks directly. They will be given for 2 marks or 3 marks like that. Timing to end the question, session. I don't know, Sahasra. If you are all okay, I'll just stop now. I'm also ready to stop. Yeah, kinetic equations, calculus methods are important. Anil ready. Go through the derivations there. 75% attendance is mandatory for exam. Kailash. 75%. What are topics? Deleted topics. Sidhu, better go through the checklist. Complete that first. Those itself are the included things. In checklist, deleted topics are not mentioned. So what all the things are not there, you can simply skip that. All those comes under deleted only. Go through the things what are present in the checklist. That will do. Sidhu. So if you want to leave this, you can simply say bye and conclude this session. So that if the people starts flowing out, I can also make it closing session here. Okay, what we learn in rotational motion for 6 marks? You can learn about vector product. Who asked this question? Nageshwari. Vector product, numerical problem, meaning of vector product, meaning of center of mass, meaning of center of gravity, meaning of motion of coordinates of center of mass. Some equations are there for that, which are taken after your monthly test 3. Those are for 6 marks. Advantages of friction and disadvantage of friction, it is not included in the checklist, but you can go through it if you want. Charan, it is important but not included. Is 75.7 enough? If less, which document? If 75.7 is enough, if you are falling between 65 to 75, medical certificate is needed. Kailash. So learn assignment questions and yeah, we will get pass marks, Santu. Pass marks is for 24. You'll get 24 from that monthly test and assignments. Okay. But assignments, there are many number of questions in assignment. Instead of that, if you do checklist, you'll get 50 marks plus. Instead of empty questions and assignments, if you go through checklist, you'll get 50 marks. Number of questions in checklist are lesser than these assignment and monthly test questions. You do more in assignments and monthly test, you'll get less questions, less marks. But less questions in checklist, more marks. Plan accordingly, plan wisely, man. My intention is to just make you aware that to make you aware with the process of examination to be more simpler and easier. That's what. You cannot get full marks DGS channel, you'll get 50 plus marks from checklist. For remaining 8 marks or 5 marks, you need to go through the different parts what you have studied in the class. Yeah, you have to learn examples of acceleration, Vidya. Yeah, torque is the vector product concept. Accordingly, in vector product that is included. In checklist we have provided vector product. Torque is an example of vector product, so it is there. I don't think attendance 70%, Kailash. 70% is not sufficient to write the exams. You need to take permission by submitting medical documents to the academic section. No need to read entire textbook, Meda, Chetkuri. Just go through the notes, what is given by your faculties, or if you have my notes, you can go through that also. No need to go through the entire textbook. If you have time, you can go through like that. If you don't have time, you can just go through the questions what have been given in the class notes. You will get that checklist today from your respective class teachers or your CRs. I've already posted that. I'll post it. I'll post as a link here also. Yeah. Satvika, okay. Thank you for this awareness live chat. Yeah, Sahasra, Varshini, that's good. I appreciate here chapter 6 has 12 marks. Sir, here chapter 6 has got 12 marks. Not 12. This is 12 and here it is one more. Here it is one more. Here also one more. We'll have to adjust this accordingly. It is 18 marks. What may be that? Nageshwari. What may be that? Weightage it is called as Nageshwari. Awareness live chat. Yeah. Any important questions is there from lesson? No. All are important. Just go through the synopsis points of chapter 1. You will get that for 1 mark only. Yeah. Sneha Priya, that's fine. It's okay. Welcome. Any questions out of syllabus like changing numbers? Yeah, you'll get some change of numbers, Rajkumar. Not exactly questions would be dumped from textbook. Any example what you have, any numerical problem, there are chances of changing the numbers also in that. Instead of giving it as a dumb question like that. It all depends. Numbers may be changed or may not be changed. Spandana Nunava, thank you sir. Yeah, it's okay. Spandana, carry on. Prepare well for your exams. If I missed out any name, just adjust with that. I'm just getting some low flow of messages. Some may be missed out. If your question is not addressed earlier, you can repost your question again. I'll address that. You have to submit your academic Sidhu. You have to submit your medical certificate to the academic section AB3. Sunita madam ఉంటారు వెళ్ళి కలవండి ఒకసారి. No problem with that, Renuka. Overall percentage is important. 88 is sufficient. Lab attendance 66 will not uh, be considered. Santu, if you read all assignments and monthly tests, you may get up to 40 marks. Up to 40 you can score. Okay. 90 above marks is 10 CGPA. Pravalika. 91, 92, I mean 51 to 60. 90 in the sense. 51 to 60 is for 10 CGPA. Yeah. Asmia Munnaz. Thank you, sir. Yeah, welcome. Can I tell the important topic numerical problems? It is there, Nandita. It is there in checklist. Go through that. Important questions. No specific important questions. Channel. DGS. Which chapter has got more weightage? Rajkumar, it is that I have mentioned it. It is there in the board. Chapter 5, 4 and 6 has got more weightage. Chapter 4, 5, 6 has got 18 marks. Chapter 2 and chapter 3 has got 12 marks. Chapter 7 has got 6 marks. Okay. Oh. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I'll add this after some time. Anil Reddy, I'll add that checklist to this video. When I post this video, I'll add that checklist also. Thank you. Yeah. Sai Manogna. Thank you, sir. Yeah, you're welcome. So if we are all done with this, I think we can better close this. The more time we spend here, more time would be wasted for you people. You can go with your preparations. Yeah. I think I'm done with my part. You can share all the needed info to your friends and all. Checklist you'll get, Mr. Santu, after some time you'll get. Where we have to submit. Sidhu, you have to submit it in the academic section. Physics credit marks is 4. Pravalika. Credits is 4. Yeah. Welcome Chinnu Yadav. Okay sir, bye. Yeah, bye Asmiya. Take care. Enjoy your time. Prepare well. Yeah. Bye. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, Sidhu Marle. Welcome. You are. Go ahead with your preparations. I love you. Sir can send weightage marks for all lessons. It is there on the board. There is no soft copy for this. If you just go through this video, you will find it on the board. The weightage of marks. The last 2 lines is weightage of marks. Maths ki enta grades sir. I think maths grades is 5. Checklist I'll post after some time. Santu. Okay. Bye. Hema. Good. Bye. Take care. Sir, what about credits? Spandana. Let us don't forget, don't bother much about credit points and I'll just go through your works, go through your done, go with your preparations, write the exams, get your marks. Remaining all things you'll understand later. Forget about credit points now. That's of no use for you now. Yeah, bye. Maruti. Maths credits, I think 5 it is. I'm not sure. Pravalika, it's okay. Okay, bye. Archana, take care. Bye bye. Yeah, it is okay, Rajkumar. That would be sufficient to go to 55, 60, 56 like that. Yeah, information Neeraj Kumar. Neeraj Kumar Kamari. Thank you, sir. Yeah, it's okay, man. It's uh, okay, sir. Bye. Yeah. Sharanya Origanti. Bye, sir. Bye, baby. Take care. Thank you, sir. Anil Reddy. Yeah, it's okay, man. Take care. Bye. Yeah, Neta Banu. Neetala Banu. Thank you, sir. Yeah, welcome. Banu. Yes, Nageshwari 10 GPA you'll get in physics. Scoring above 50 is 10. You'll get that. Yeah. Chin. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, Pravalika. Take care. You're welcome. For every subject, we need to read MT3 papers per sem. Is it enough? Not enough, Sahasra. That gives you only 30 marks. All MTs will give you only 6 out of 60. You may get 30 marks from that. Remaining 30 marks, you need to do other questions. Yeah, Sharanya, it's okay. It's my. Yeah, you're welcome. Sharanya, you're welcome. Yeah, I think we can now conclude this. I want people to leave one by one so that if the number is ready, they'll also leave. Everyone, all of you go through your checklist, go through preparations, do well in your exams. Yeah, you're welcome, Srinidhi. Thanks a lot, sir. You're welcome. So, shall I now close this session now? Is that okay to all? Lastly, those who have any doubts, yeah, it is important. Ananya Reddy, parallelogram is important. If you have any doubts while preparations and all, you can WhatsApp me. I'll reply to that WhatsApp messages as per my convenience in the form of audio. I'll explain that through audio messages so that you can save your time and all. No need to wait for me at some place, or I need to no need to come for you there somewhere else. Can we get blueprint, sir? It is actually we don't have any specific blueprint right now with us, but we can just take this as a blueprint. What is mentioned on the board can be taken as blueprint, and this is a weightage of marks. This is what we call it as blueprint marks. How many marks weightage it is? Checklist. Yeah, Nandita, it's enough. Full marks in the sense 50 plus is enough. Spring constant is important. It is. Salmono. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Bindu. Can you give your phone? Can you move your phone down? We can't see the down part. Is that okay now? Is this okay now? Nothing else you have below this. It's something like this. I'll put it like this if you. Yeah, empty questions will repeat Nageshwari. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, Bindu. You're welcome. You can go ahead with your works. The bottom part can be seen now. Uh, Abdul Javid, I moved it. Check out. Yeah, it's okay. కేటాయించినందుకు Bindu. You're welcome. యా బండారు వర్షిని మీ సపోర్ట్ మీకు ఫస్ట్ మీ టైం మాకు స్పెండ్ చేయడం యా ఇట్స్ ఓకే దేవవర్షిని హర్షిని యా ఇట్స్ ఓకే కట్టెకోల శ్రీవల్లి థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్ సార్ యా శ్రీవల్లి టేక్ కేర్ పుష్పరాజ్ శ్రీవల్లి how many we can score by preparing empty questions 30 marks only you'll get from empty questions checklist will give you 50 more questions jasmine jashwini Yeah, let us wind up now. Okay, all of you prepare well. If you want, I'll take one more session at a later stage before exams, or else we can have this on 1st of January also, because you have exam on 3rd, you have the exam on 31st. If you want, I can take one more session on 31st December after your monthly test, after your that day exam. We can discuss with your friends and you can ask me for that, or simply you can just leave it also. What is this XOP top fans? What will be XOP top fans? I don't know what to do with this. I'm not sure. Okay, it's okay. It is not clear about the blueprint. You mean this one? Zamina Sheikh blueprint. I think you have lastly joined. Blueprint is that chapter question 1 consists from chapter 2, 1A and 1B. I think physics exam is on Jan 3rd. Ish Dua. Naresh. Jan 3rd or 2nd, I'm not sure. I don't have answer for that, Ranjit. Specifically from assignment questions, how many marks? There is no such rule. Yeah, collisions are important. Nageshwari done, not clear blueprint. Blueprint consists of 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B chapter wise. This is from chapter 2, one first question. This is from chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, mix up of 4 and 5, chapter 5 and 6 mix up, chapter 6 purely, and this is from 6 and 7 mix up, like that it is. I explained it, yes. Where do we get that checklist? You'll get that checklist now, Yadav, in this video. After this, I post this video, you'll get that. It has been already sent to your faculties and CRs of other classes also. You can ask that. Yes, it is accurate, that first question. For physics, it is accurate, Rohit Kumar. First question is from first chapter, second question is from second chapter. In fact, first question, because in first chapter there are much questions. First question is from chapter 2, second is from chapter 3, third is from chapter 4, like that it is. Yeah, Jamina, thank you. Welcome. Naresh, I think it's on 3rd Jan. You can check it again. Okay. And with this, I wish to conclude now. All the best, everyone. Prepare well for exams. You can WhatsApp me. You can ask the respective CR for my number. Marti, leader or wife? Okay. Mani Yadav, you joined now only, I think. Are the MCQs are short questions? No, no MCQs and not short questions. Okay? Only descriptive questions. తీసుకుంటా ఉండని. I'm signing up now. Signing off. All of you. I'll upload this video again, Srinidhi. No worries. Okay? Yeah, I'm just closing this part now. Ending up my live session. Bye, all of you. Take care.